When it comes to upgrading or replacing the windows in your Lafayette home, one of the most important decisions you'll make is selecting the right window material. The material you choose will impact your home's energy efficiency, aesthetic appeal, and long-term durability. With several options available, it can be overwhelming to figure out which one is best suited to your needs. In this article, we'll explore the different window materials and help you determine which one might be ideal for your Lafayette home. Vinyl windows. Affordable and energy-efficient vinyl windows are an incredibly popular choice for homeowners due to their affordability, energy efficiency, and low maintenance requirements. Made from durable PVC, vinyl windows are resistant to the elements, which is especially important in Lafayette's climate, where weather conditions can vary. They provide excellent insulation, helping to keep your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, potentially lowering your energy bills. One of the biggest benefits of vinyl windows is that they don't require much upkeep. Unlike wood, they won't need to be sanded or repainted regularly. Vinyl frames are available in a variety of colors, although they can't be repainted once the color fades or becomes damaged. If you're looking for an economical choice that offers great energy efficiency and requires minimal maintenance, vinyl windows are an excellent option for your Lafayette home. Wood windows. Traditional and timeless. For homeowners who love the classic look of wood, wood windows are a timeless choice. They offer natural beauty and a level of craftsmanship that other materials can't always replicate. Wood frames provide excellent insulation, making them a good choice for energy-conscious homeowners. Wood windows can be stained or painted to match your home's interior and exterior style. This customization is a big selling point for those who want to achieve a particular look or aesthetic. However, wood windows do require more maintenance than vinyl or fiberglass options. Over time, wood frames can warp, rot, or attract pests. Regular maintenance, including sanding, painting, and sealing, is necessary to keep them in top condition. If you're willing to invest the time and effort into upkeep, wood windows can add timeless charm and character to your Lafayette home. Fiberglass windows. Durability and strength. Fiberglass windows are known for their exceptional strength and long-lasting durability. Made from a combination of glass fibers and resin, fiberglass windows are highly resistant to weather, including extreme heat and cold. In Lafayette, where temperatures can fluctuate significantly, this makes fiberglass a great option for maintaining consistent indoor temperatures throughout the year. Another benefit of fiberglass windows is their energy efficiency. They are highly insulated, reducing the amount of heat transfer between the outside and inside of your home. Fiberglass windows are low maintenance and won't warp or rot like wood can, and they're also resistant to the effects of UV rays, so they won't fade or discolor over time. While fiberglass windows tend to be more expensive than vinyl options, their durability and energy efficiency make them a wise investment in the long run. If you're looking for a window material that combines strength, energy efficiency, and low maintenance, fiberglass is an excellent choice. Aluminum windows. Sleek and modern aluminum windows are often chosen for their sleek, modern appearance. They have a slim profile and are typically used in contemporary-style homes. Aluminum is strong and durable, making it a suitable choice for larger windows or those that require added structural integrity. However, aluminum windows are less energy efficient than other materials like vinyl or fiberglass because aluminum conducts heat and cold more easily. This can lead to higher energy bills, especially if your windows are exposed to extreme temperatures. To improve the energy efficiency of aluminum windows, manufacturers often add a thermal break to the frame. This reduces heat transfer and helps to improve the overall insulation of the window. While aluminum windows offer a modern aesthetic and durability, they may not be the best choice for energy-conscious homeowners in Lafayette, where insulation is crucial for year-round comfort. Composite windows. The best of both worlds. Composite windows are made from a combination of materials, often wood and vinyl or fiberglass, which gives them the best features of both. These windows offer the beauty of wood with the durability and energy efficiency of synthetic materials. Composite frames are resistant to rotting, warping, and swelling, and they require little maintenance. They are also highly energy efficient and provide excellent insulation, making them a great option for homeowners who want the look of wood but don't want to deal with the ongoing maintenance. Composite windows are typically more expensive than vinyl but are considered a long-term investment due to their durability. Conclusion. When choosing the best window material for your Lafayette home, it's important to consider your budget, the level of maintenance you're willing to perform, and the specific needs of your home. Whether you prefer the affordability of vinyl, the classic look of wood, the durability of fiberglass, the sleek design of aluminum, or the versatility of composite materials, there's a window solution that's perfect for your home. By understanding the pros and cons of each material, you can make an informed decision and choose windows that will enhance your home's energy efficiency, curb appeal, and overall value.